Hi there! Today, I want to discuss some effective techniques and strategies that can help marketing a law firm on social media platforms such as Facebook and Twitter. Social media has become an essential tool for any law firm to effectively market their services and grow their business. First, let's talk about creating a strong and consistent brand identity across all your social media channels. Your brand should portray who you are, what you do best, and how you help clients. Consistency is key. Your brand should look and feel the same on all platforms. Next, create engaging and informative content that resonates with your target audience. Keep your followers informed about the latest legal news, updates, and trends. Share valuable content such as articles, infographics, and videos that provide insights into the law and legal services. Remember, users are on social media to learn and be entertained. So creating informative and shareable content will help you stand out from your competitors. Another essential aspect of social media marketing is building a strong online presence. Engage with your followers by responding to comments, messages, and questions. This not only helps you build relationships with your audience, but also increases the chances of your content being shared and discovered by other users. Now, let's talk about social media advertising. There are several platforms that law firms can use to reach their target audience, such as Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Using targeted advertising campaigns, you can reach out to specific demographics and interests, making it more likely for your content to be seen by those who are interested in your services. Finally, collaborate with other legal professionals and industry influencers to increase your reach and credibility. By partnering with other law firms or niche influencers, you can reach new audiences and gain exposure to your services. In conclusion, implementing these techniques and strategies will help marketing a law firm on social media platforms such as Facebook and Twitter. By creating a strong brand, sharing engaging and informative content, engaging with your audience using social media advertising, and collaborating with other legal professionals, you can effectively grow your business. Good luck!